In this video, we are going to explore some of the newest text function, that is text before and text after, or text split functions. And these are all the new functions that you will find in the latest version of Microsoft Office. So if you have Microsoft Office 2024 or plus, that functions will work for you. And the benefit of this is if you're performing some complex task, you don't need to merge many formulas to obtain these results. So let's see what are these functions. And to practice on it, you can find this file with the resources section of this video. And here we have taken an example of the full name and their designation at the starting, like doctor, professor, engineer, PhD, captain. You can notice that all of these professions have different starting initials, but they are ending on a specific pattern. And sometimes what happens is the people have two titles instead of one. So captain, professor, major, doctor. If you have professions like that, it won't be able to extract it properly, even if you use text to column functions, or maybe flash fill will not be able to resolve these kind of things. So here we want just the titles. We will use a simple formula, that is text before. Now what text before does is returns the text that's before the delimiting characters. So for example, delimiting character is dot and space. So whatever is before that, it will automatically extract that. Hit tab so that it can automatically open the bracket for you. The text, I'll select this text. Delimiter is inverted commas, dot and space, because at the end, whether it's two titles or just one, it ends finally on dot and space. And after that is the full name. So we will mention it as dot and space both and inverted commas close. Now we have other options as well, but this is the only thing that needs to be done in order to extract the titles. Let's hit enter to see the results. But here, as we can see, it has obtained only the first title and I want the second one as well. So how we are going to resolve this? Let's say that we want two instances where this criteria is met. So I'll just write 2, hit enter. In this case, it has extracted the right title, but where we have only one instance, it is going to show us an error. So what we will do is we will skip this part to instance number because we want to go to the end of some of the functions. So we have to skip through some parts. In the instance number, if you want to skip this, don't want to mention this, just mention comma afterwards. And again, it says it is case sensitive or non-case sensitive. So we are not going to mention any requirement whether it's case sensitive, whether it's non-case sensitive. In both conditions, it should work. So we will skip this one as well. Now here is the interesting part, match end. Don't match to end is set by default. And it says that if a match could not be found for the delimiter, return not available. So as we have seen that we have defined the two instance numbers, and whenever it doesn't find that, it showed us an error. But what match to end does is match the delimiter against the end of the text. That means it will always search this criteria at the end. After that, it's not there. So whatever is before that, it will take that completely. Let's use this, press tab. And now if we hit enter, but still, if we scroll down, some of them are showing correctly, but our problem is still not resolved. It's only picking the first title. So how will we resolve it? Now here is a little trick. We go back to the delimiter, and after the delimiter or criteria is set, what we'll do is we will start working not from here, because it always ends up here where it finds the first delimiter. So we want the condition to work backwards. That means from right to left and not from left to right. We want to move it to opposite direction so that whenever the first delimiter comes, if it checks from the opposite direction, there it splits the name or the titles. And that's how we can resolve our problem. So whether it's one title, two titles, or even three titles, it should be able to work. But how will we reverse this direction of checking? That's very simple. Just use -1. If you set the instance number to -1, it will work in the opposite direction, and that should solve the problem. Let's hit enter. And as you can see, it's working fine. Let's try for the second one. It's working fine. And let's try for this one. Also, it's working fine, but it is confused in Sarake. So we will just remove this title, and now it's showing perfectly PhD. And wherever no title is available, it's showing an error, and that's fine. And after that, match mode, I don't want to match it against anything, comma, match to end. Now here is where we want to use the match to end function because it will not give us an error. Just remember that whenever you are making changes to any of the formula, you always have to make it from the first cell and just double click to set it down, and now our problem is resolved. So even if we have like Mrs., Dr., Professor, hit enter and it should be able to separate the title right away. If we set it to Miss dot, it will pick it as a title. Now what do we do if we just want the full names afterwards? And that's where we want the text after. Equals to text after. Use in the same method to select the text. Delimiter is dot and space. And what we want to put here is -1 again, because again, we are going to check it backwards. And whenever they find the first delimiter, that's where our criteria is, and it will instantly separate the full name like that. If we do it from here, it will separate the rest of the details right after the first delimiter. But if we check it right to left, that's where our criteria will meet. Hit enter and we are able to see and extract just the names. Double click to send it down and we are able to separate just the names. But we can easily solve this within this formula. Just use the match mode. We don't want that. Skip through it. And here we will just match to end. Hit enter. Just double click to apply it again. And it is now able to show all the names. So basically wherever there is no delimiter, it is considering the delimiter is at the start. So whatever is after that, it is able to separate this as a name. So this is how this new function works. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.